Alright kids, welcome to my channel. In this video, Jerome and I journey to Thailand for EDC, where it's my first time as a VIP. We check out some beaches in Bangla Road and then head to the festival where we form the Labubu crew. We check out Downtown EDC, ride all the rides including one that didn't go so well, suss the VIP areas and have an epic journey back to the Airbnb. Let's check out what that entails.
Whenever you're sitting down and throughout the entire flight,
I have arrived! Jerome is coming now. Our flights were about the same time, so it worked out well. Oh, fuck! Oh, sneak preview!
Crossed a pampered and a break. Hug my terror pot, I'll start again. I'll be back on my own someday. But for now, I'm coming home.
Well, I am back in Thailand, in Phuket for EDC Festival. This year the festival has doubled in size. So I'm very excited to see everything there is to see and discover. We actually drove past it last night when we went from the airport and it looks amazing. Of course there's a big Ferris wheel. All the lights were blowing the hell up. This morning I'm on Bangla Road running some errands and then Jerome's doing a test, an exam. So thank God he's going to get that over first thing. And then it's time to party because we like to party. We are getting ready! Decisions, what outfit to wear? We're on our way!
I'm out of here, man. I'm just kidding.
Made it night one and we're finally going in the pool. My first time in the pool for today.
Being a VIP.
I know it's my first time as a VIP. I love this bougie boo. I live the bougie boo life now.
Yeah, you know.
ขอบคุณค่ะ Enjoy your milk. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Next time, EDC continues with day 2.